core bridge work we're doing this month is just a side bridge. Now you can do it on the floor with a bent knee to make it easier to start with, and just the forearm. So it will be quite light. You might want to build that up to a minute before you progress it. Then you can go to here, then you can go to toe to heel here, like that. Now this month what we're working on is doing a lateral lift of the leg on the outside. So you're keeping that flexed. You get a better glute activation if you do that. You can point it if you like. And then you're trying to raise that outside the leg. It's quite heavy. And it's a good idea to use the mirror so that you can see that you're not doing that as you go out. You can as well, while you do that, bend that inside leg. So you do it as a knee version. So you've got, say you've got this down, that's pretty cool, strong there. You can even do these, you know, go really long there and get that. But that one, the last one with the straight legs, both of them straight is a bit too heavy. You can go here and then work on getting that glute activation. This is something different like that. So it's quite cool. You might start with, you know, if you've just jumped up to a harder version, you might go to just 40 seconds, 45, and then go to the full 60 each side. They are pretty hard, so but really pay attention to the details. Film yourself so you've got that form down, or you do it facing the mirror so you can get that visual feedback as you're doing it, keeping the head nice and aligned, spine aligned, and not twisting in it. So if you've got any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.